Hey everyone, I'm back with another tutorial on how to record an acoustic guitar. So let's get to it. This is what you need: a computer, an audio interface, a mic, a cable, a mic stand, a guitar, and a DAW. Step 1. Plug in your audio interface to your computer. Step 2. Plug your mic to your audio interface. Step 3. Open your DAW and create an audio track. Step 4. Put your mic in front of your guitar. I would recommend to put it around the 12th fret. If your room is not treated, I would recommend using a dynamic mic instead of a condenser mic. Hit record and you're done.